Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is part of our tutorial series on standard template library in C++. So in previous video we take a overlook on the STL and we saw how many type of containers and different concepts of STL. Now in this video we will start the concept of algorithms in STL, and our first topic will be sorting. So let's get into it. Sorting is one of the most basic functions applied to a data. It means arranging data in a particular fashion, either in ascending order or descending order, which can be increasing or decreasing. There is a built-in function in C++ STL by the name of sort. This function internally uses intro sort. In more detail, it is implemented using hybrid of quick sort and heap sort and insertion sort. By default it uses quick sort, but if quick sort is doing unfair partitioning and it takes more than n की power log n times, it switches to heap sort, and when the array size becomes really small, it switches to insertion sort. So basically this sort is hybrid of three sort: quick sort, heap sort and insertion sort, and it applies them according to the complexity of data. Now we will take a look at prototype of this sort. First of all, we have our keyword sort, then it accepts two arguments. First one is start address, from which we want to start the sorting, and second one is end address. The address of the first element of the array is start address, and the address of the next contiguous location of the last element of the array is the end address. So actually sort sorts in the range of start address and the end address. Now we'll take a coding example of that. So let's me clear this code from our previous videos. Now for using the sort algorithm, we have to include these two. Algorithm. Now first I will type the code for displaying our sorted array. I will name it show. It will accept an integer type array and then an integer type of let's say size. Name it as array size. Now inside of this we will run a loop. Sorry, there is a spelling mistake above. It is array size. Then we have our increment. Now we will move to our main driver code. Inside of it I will first initialize an array and it will contain of unsorted unsorted integer from 1 to 10. Let's say